Hello everyone, happy to see you for a new video. Today we are making beef suya with plantains. Here are the ingredients we'll be using. Firstly, we begin by seasoning the meat. I've already gone ahead and washed the beef, which I cut thinly. Now I will season the meat generously with a blend of green seasoning, all-purpose spices, Suya Spice mix, mustard, salt, and crushed black peppers. While there's no exact measurement, be sure to season it according to your preference. You can add more Suya Spice. Mix everything thoroughly. Now I will enhance the flavors by adding onions and peppers to the meat, but this step is entirely optional. Afterwards, let the meat marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now I will continue by prepping the plantain. First, cut off the ends. Then make a slit down the side to remove the plantain from its skin. Then slice it any way you like. Personally, this is how I prefer to cut my plantains. Now that the beef has marinated well, I will transfer it to a tray. Now make sure the meat coats the tray well to ensure that it's cooked evenly. And place this in the oven at 180 to 200 Celsius for 25 minutes. Whilst the meat is cooking, I'll begin frying the plantains. I've added just the right amount of oil in the pan to ensure that it coats the plantain slice evenly. Now fry until brown on each side. I'm turning the plantain to ensure that both sides are golden brown. And once they are done, I'll place them on a plate lined with kitchen towel to remove any excess oil. After 25 minutes, turn the meat and put it back in the oven to cook for a few more minutes. That's it. The meat is perfectly cooked. I'm serving the beef suya with the fried plantains and some side vegetables. Let me know in the comment below if you would try this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing, like and share. Until next time, happy cooking.